At this moment, what I can say is we are expecting much more bigger than which originally we thought. Even we think about the PS3 installment basis. PS3 is still, this curve here. But compared to the, this number, what we are expecting is much more higher than that. And one of the point is, not only the United States, the American market is quite big, and European market, we are collecting information right now. So the next 2 weeks, we're going to finalize what kind of the unit probably we can expect for at the launch timing, but it's quite big. And movie is quite confidential. But one of the strengths of the Konami is we have a Konami original IP. So the Silent Hill is already moved. And Silent Hill, Castlevania, of course Metal Gear Solid, I don't know you know this, the Suikoden. So several IP, we always chasing the opportunity of the movie. That only I can say right now. Okay?
Bom, quanto filme vocês viram, com certeza se houver a possibilidade, é do interesse da Konami perseguir isso, igual outros títulos como o Silent Hill, que viraram filmes também. Quantos vai vender tudo no lançamento? Eles estão fazendo uma quantidade muito maior de jogos, então eles esperam que venda tudo no lançamento também, mas não especificamente assim. Não sei se dá para dizer se vai vender tudo ou se vai sobrar, mas com certeza a expectativa deles para essa versão 4, o Metal Gear 4, é muito maior do que de outras versões.
Since launching Metal Gear, what kind of business brought you down to Brazil? What kind of other business?
Yes, Metal Gear Solid is one of the big title. And also this fiscal year for the Konami is a very big year because major Konami IP week release, including a Silent Hill is coming for 360 and PS3, and also Castlevania is rebooting as a new version for the Wii and the DS. So such kind of things that I would like to communicate with the Brazilian people. And also most important thing, of course, Pro Evolution Soccer. From the if we are not in Brazil, we cannot see the real situation. I knew right now about formal and informal market here, but then I could also know there's so many people Pro Evolution Soccer fan here. So I just want to find out how we can communicate with them. Pro Evolution Soccer is not only the specific territory, it's global title. Worldwide, probably every year, more than 7 million people is buying that title. So one of the purpose is how we can communicate all of the world people to combine together. That is the first step, but I'm here this time.
Ele veio aqui principalmente por 3 jogos: Silent Hill, Castlevania e, claro, o Pro Evolution Soccer. Eles têm 7 milhões de jogadores e eles estão descobrindo cada vez mais que o mercado está crescendo no Brasil e eles estão buscando formas de se comunicar mais com a gente, como eu disse, escutar a nossa experiência, ver o que a gente tem que acrescentar para o jogo, para isso pra ter uma colaboração mais participativa e trazer um jogo melhor. Mas eles querem ver mais de perto o consumidor e tentar criar formas de se comunicar com a gente, do jogo, ter coisas específicas para a gente e melhorar o jogo para o Brasil também, não só o jogo assim dentro da Konami, mas o jogo no Brasil. Eles querem se aproximar da gente, se comunicar mais. E é claro que no mundo todo, eles não só estão visitando aqui, eles estão visitando o mundo inteiro, estão fazendo uma pesquisa global para que ele atenda o máximo de países o possível, esteja mais próximo de o máximo de pessoas.
Só pedir paciência. Eu tenho 4 perguntas, quero ser rápido para passar lá. We can dream about Konami Brazil. We have Konami Japan, Konami Australia, Konami all the world. One Konami Brazil is a dream, my dream. Okay. Sucky English. Fucky English.
Yes, I hope I will have, Konami project soon. But at this moment, we are trying to find the best partner here. But we will come here more frequently to know that this market.
Ok. Metal Gear 1 Remake. Essa foi foda.
At this moment, we don't have a plan, but in Japan, we have a PS Metal Gear Solid 1 for the PlayStation Network. So not like a console version, but already
Download.
Yeah, downloaded version. So that kind of thing already happened in Japan. So probably it depends on the situation, schedule, but it's be expanded to the global market.
Is a remake or the original game?
Basically, it's original game.
I see some videos on internet about one remake. It's true.
You mean that someone making remaking a one?
Remake.
I think it's rumor. Not true.
Not true. Ok, more. Bom, vou fazer em português, por favor. Teve a série, não sei se eles conhecem, a série Guitar Hero, Rock Band, que está fazendo muito sucesso no Ocidente. No Oriente tem a série B-Mani, Guitar Freaks, Drum Mania, etc. Guitar Freaks 10, Drum Mania 20, Parappa não. Some projects about musical games for about remark, sei lá, inglês.
I understand. So the question is why the Konami has a B-Mani production in Japan that's very famous for the music title, but why we didn't produce it, release it in this area?
USA, Europe, Europe.
Yes, actually, we're gonna announce next week. We will have a Gamers Day in San Francisco. At that timing, we will announce more detail, but it's coming. So it's coming for this year.
So we will announce a music product. It is not Guitar Freaks, it's not Beatmania, but it is working from our legacy of music games. So we'll compete directly with the titles you spoke about earlier, but it is not specifically Beatmania or Guitar Freaks. But it is a music game, but it will be announced to the U.S. press next week, as Hirano said.
Oh yes. So this coming title, which I can say is pretty interesting because B-Mani has a very good technology and know-how for the music title. But what we are trying to do is we are trying to more westernized title. So we are having but we have a collaboration with the B-Mani group and our United States development team. More westernized, but very good technology from the B-Mani group. It's coming.
A pergunta foi feita sobre se os produtos musicais que fazem muito sucesso no Japão, que é o Guitar Freak e o Drum Mania,